Yep.
Let's see what it does.
Throw one at a time.
Oh, that was cool.
You get it in the water. Two. It's going that way. It's going that way.
You're flying it this way?
Yeah, just do.
Alright, this one's the board.
And I got stuck in the.
Okay.
Going back this way. And.
How did you figure out how to get this one? Climb it.
Yeah. Just like try to jump. The wind will get it in a little bit.
I need like a rock.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the other one.
Alright, get the other one. Get the other one.
Wait, get it.
Oh, I hate it when it's in there. Go get the other one first.
I'm gonna get the other one. Yeah. Hey, here's it. Yeah, man.
Oh, got it.
You got it?
Slide it down, of course.
Okay. Here you go. You only lost 2 of them.
Alright, here we go again. Ready?
Yep. And it came back. Oh, and it almost got stuck in the tree again. Yeah. Oh, this one landed. Alright, you got 2 again.
This is a very long video.
It's only 2 minutes right now.
Yeah, and we still have 2 left.
And it finally died. Alright, here we go. And oh, it's hovering. It's hovering.
Keep going. Oh, get over
there. Oh. Alright, Chris. Yeah.
Is it recording? Yeah.
Yeah. Don't zoom or anything.
Alright, here it goes. And
Oh, that was a fail.
oh, that was one big fail. Don't zoom. Alright, here goes the second one. Oh, and into the water again. You can barely even see it. Oh, that one flew way out high.
Oh,
It's stuck in the tree. Stuck in the tree. Oh, dang, look at that one go. Came back. Dude, why does one zoom in?
I'm just gonna go back. Alright.
Why can't you zoom in?
Because it gets a wider angle.
Look at his, this is floating in the water.
Oh!
Just hovering in there, like whatever.
Still going.
Let's see where it went. Is it in the water? Oh, it's still, it landed right here too.
Now we're gonna try it again. Still going.
Kind of a long video.
Huh?
So it's kind of a long video, almost 4 minutes.
That's okay. Fail.
Hurry up, you stupid plane. Throw it over the water, David.
Okay.
In the water it goes. How do I stop? Okay?
Press the
Okay?
button.